Artificial intelligence is one of the most discussed technologies in the world today. Every day, you may hear a new claim. AI will change everything. AI will replace everyone. AI will make everyone rich. AI will write all content. AI will create perfect videos. AI agents will run businesses. AI will think like humans. AI will solve problems faster than any expert. Some of these statements contain truth. Some are exaggerated. Some are marketing. Some are fear. Some are still too early to judge. That is why this episode is important. In this episode of AI Without Fear, we are not going to say AI is useless. That would be wrong. We are also not going to say AI is magic. That would also be wrong. We are going to understand the difference between AI hype and AI reality in simple words. By the end of this episode, you should be able to listen to any AI claim and ask a simple question. Is this real today? Or is this still hype? AI hype does not mean AI is fake. This is very important. Hype means the expectation has become bigger than the current reality. A technology can be real and still be hyped. For example, AI can genuinely help you write, summarize, translate, research, code, create images, analyze information, and improve productivity. That is real. But when someone says AI can do everything perfectly, that becomes hype. When someone says AI will replace every job immediately, that becomes hype. When someone says one AI tool can solve all business problems, that becomes hype. When someone says you do not need human judgment anymore, that becomes hype. So the problem is not AI itself. The problem is overclaiming what AI can do today. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. AI is useful, but it is not always reliable. AI is improving fast, but it still needs human direction. AI can support decisions, but it should not blindly replace thinking. That is the balanced view. AI hype spreads quickly because AI results can look impressive. When you ask an AI tool to write an email, it gives you an answer in seconds. When you ask it to explain a topic, it gives a clean explanation. When you ask it to create an image, it can create something that looks professional. When you ask it to summarize a long document, it can save time. So people look at these outputs and think, this can do everything. But that is where we need to slow down. A good-looking answer is not always a correct answer. A confident answer is not always a truthful answer. A fast answer is not always a safe answer. This is one of the biggest realities of AI. AI can produce results that look polished, but still contain mistakes. That is why hype spreads fast. AI feels magical from outside. But when you use it seriously, you realize that it still needs checking, context, review, and responsibility. One of the biggest hype statements is this: AI will replace human thinking. The reality is different. AI can support thinking, but it does not replace your judgment. AI can suggest ideas, but you still need to decide which idea is useful. AI can summarize information, but you still need to check whether the summary is accurate. AI can help write a message, but you still need to make sure the tone is appropriate. AI can help with research, but you still need to verify important facts. AI can help with planning, but you still need to understand your real situation. This is the difference between assistance and replacement. AI is very strong when it is used as a helper. It becomes risky when people treat it as the final authority. So, ignore the claim that you can stop thinking because AI exists. The better reality is this: AI can reduce some effort, but it increases the need for better judgment. Another common hype claim is that AI gives correct answers. This is not true. AI systems can produce wrong information. Sometimes they can mix facts. Sometimes they can invent details. Sometimes they can misunderstand the question. Sometimes they can give an answer that sounds professional but is still incorrect. This problem is often called hallucination. In simple words, hallucination means the AI gives an answer that sounds confident, but may not be true. This is why you should be careful when using AI for serious topics. If the topic is health, money, law, exams, career decisions, business decisions, safety, or anything important, you should not rely on AI output blindly. Use AI as a starting point. Ask it to explain. Ask it to simplify. Ask it to give options. Ask it to help you prepare. But do not treat every answer as final truth. The reality is simple. AI can be useful, but important information must be verified. Today, many people are talking about AI agents. An AI agent is usually described as a system that can take a goal, plan steps, use tools, and complete tasks with less human involvement. This sounds exciting. And yes, AI agents are a real direction in technology. But the hype is that agents will suddenly run everything without supervision. That is not the current reality for most people and organizations. For an AI agent to work safely, it needs access to systems, data, identity, permissions, rules, monitoring, and clear boundaries. If an agent sends the wrong email, deletes the wrong file, makes the wrong decision, or uses sensitive information incorrectly, that can create real problems. So AI agents are not just about intelligence. They are also about control. They need governance. They need security. They need approval flows. They need audit trails. They need human oversight. They need clear limits. So ignore the idea that AI agents can be trusted blindly. The reality is that AI agents may become very useful, but safe use requires strong control. Another common claim is this: AI will automatically make everyone more productive. This sounds simple, but the reality is more complicated. AI can save time in many tasks. It can help write first drafts. It can summarize long information. It can generate ideas. It can help organize notes. It can speed up simple research. It can help with repetitive work. But productivity is not just about speed. If AI creates a quick answer that later needs heavy correction, the time saving may disappear. If people use AI without understanding the task, quality may go down. If an organization buys many AI tools but does not change its process, the value may stay low. If people do not know how to ask good questions, the output may not be useful. So the reality is this: AI can improve productivity when it is used for the right task, with the right process, and with human review. AI does not create value just because it is present. Value comes from using it properly. You may see many tools described as revolutionary. Every week, there is a new AI app, new AI assistant, new AI video generator, new AI search tool, new AI automation platform, or new AI agent. Some tools are genuinely useful, but not every tool is important. Many tools do similar things. Many tools are wrappers around the same underlying models. Many tools look exciting in a demo, but are not useful in daily life. Many tools disappear after the trend moves on, so you do not need to chase every tool. This is very important for staying calm. You do not need to test every AI app. You do not need to follow every AI influencer. You do not need to buy every subscription. You do not need to learn every new feature immediately. Instead, ask a practical question. What problem does this tool solve for me? If the answer is clear, try it. If the answer is not clear, ignore it for now. The reality is that AI tools are growing fast, but your attention is limited. Protect your attention. AI can create content quickly. It can write articles, captions, emails, scripts, images, videos, summaries, and posts. But fast content is not always good content. AI-generated content can sound generic. It can repeat common phrases. It can miss personal experience. It can lack emotional depth. It can sound confident but shallow. It can create images or videos that look good but feel artificial. This matters because the world may soon have more content than ever before. But more content does not always mean better communication. The reality is that human taste becomes more important. You need to know what is clear, useful, honest, respectful, and meaningful. AI can help create a first draft, but humans still need to add experience, values, examples, and judgment. So ignore the idea that AI-generated content is automatically high quality. The reality is this: AI can help create content faster, but humans still decide whether it is worth sharing. Some people think AI is only about tools and software, but AI is not just a technology issue. AI is also about trust. Can you trust the answer? Can you trust the data source? Can you trust how your information is used? Can you trust the image or video you are seeing? Can you trust the organization using AI? Can you trust that someone is accountable if AI causes harm? This is why AI safety, privacy, transparency, and governance are becoming important. The reality is that AI adoption is not only about using the latest tool. It is also about using AI responsibly. Without responsibility, AI can create misinformation, privacy risks, bias, scams, copyright issues, and poor decisions. So ignore the idea that AI success is only about speed. The reality is that trust matters as much as capability. Now let us make it simple. Ignore panic headlines that say AI will destroy everything immediately. Ignore magic claims that say AI will solve everything perfectly. Ignore pressure that says you must learn every tool right now. Ignore social media posts that make AI sound too easy. Ignore any tool that does not solve a real problem for you. Ignore claims that say AI output does not need checking. Ignore the idea that human skills no longer matter. Ignore the belief that AI progress is the same as AI maturity. Progress means the technology is improving. Maturity means it is reliable, safe, useful, governed, and ready for responsible use. These are not the same thing. At the same time, do not ignore AI completely. AI adoption is real. AI is already being added to search engines, phones, workplace tools, learning tools, customer service platforms, design tools, coding tools, and business systems. Do not ignore the need to understand basic AI concepts. Do not ignore privacy. Do not ignore fake images, fake videos, fake voices, and scams. Do not ignore the importance of fact-checking. Do not ignore the way AI may change tasks, workflows, and expectations. Do not ignore the need to build better judgment, communication, creativity, problem-solving, and digital awareness. AI may not be magic, but it is not going away. The balanced response is not fear. The balanced response is awareness. Whenever you hear a big AI claim, use this simple test. First, ask, is this claim too extreme? If someone says AI will replace everything or solve everything, be careful. Second, ask, is this already working in real life or only in a demo? Many AI tools look amazing in short demos. Real life is messier. Third, ask, what can go wrong? Could the answer be wrong? Could private data be exposed? Could someone misuse the output? Could the tool create fake information? Could people trust it too much? Fourth, ask, does this still need a human? In most serious use cases, the answer is yes. Fifth, ask, what is the practical use? If you cannot clearly explain the use, it may be hype for now. This simple test can protect you from both fear and overexcitement. The better way to think about AI is not, AI will do everything. It is also not, AI is useless. The better way is, AI is a powerful assistant that works best when humans guide it well. That one sentence removes a lot of confusion. AI can help you move faster, but you still need direction. AI can generate options, but you still need judgment. AI can explain topics, but you still need understanding. AI can create drafts, but you still need review. AI can automate tasks, but you still need responsibility. AI can improve work, but it does not remove the need for trust. This is AI reality. The key takeaway from this episode is simple. Do not confuse AI progress with AI perfection. AI is progressing very fast. But it is not perfect. It is not always accurate. It is not always safe. It is not always useful. It is not always ready to run without human control. At the same time, AI is not just hype. It is already useful in many areas. It can help with writing, learning, research, summarization, planning, coding, creativity, customer support, analysis, and productivity. So the right mindset is balanced. Ignore the panic. Ignore the magic promises. Ignore the pressure to chase every tool. But do not ignore the real change. Learn the basics. Use AI carefully. Check important outputs. Protect private information. Stay aware of fake content. Focus on real use cases and keep human judgment at the center. That is how you separate AI hype from AI reality. And that is how you continue your AI journey without fear.